Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I want to talk about mortgages today. I want to talk about the opportunity that we're seeing right now in the mortgage industry. And it sounds funny, I say opportunity because mortgage rates are rising. We're seeing that put more pressure on buyers because the cost of borrowing money for a house right now is going up. So I believe in the next 30 to 60 days, we're going to see a really good slowdown, a cooling off of the mortgage market, or I'm sorry, the real estate market in the case that you're not going to see homes fly off the shelf, you know, in the first week, all right, when they're decently priced. You might still see that in some locations because there's just honestly more buyers than sellers. That's a fact. But in the places where, especially like in the Midwest, I believe, where we've had good real estate markets, the added cost of borrowing is going to be enough to where it's going to really start to get buyers to think about what's going on. So I think that's sort of a big deal. So a couple things that I'm thinking about right now. One of the big deals is the adjustable rate mortgages. Now, if you think about it, adjustable rate mortgages, you know, people think that they're just non-existent, right? Which in this day and age, they really aren't, because interest rates have been so low, people have been able to borrow at 30-year fixed rates. But I want people to remember that back when the interest rates were low in 2002, that was also the case, right? ARMs, adjustable rate mortgages, were not the go-to deal. They weren't the go-to product until rates started to go up. When the Federal Reserve had their dot plot plan and they started raising those rates incrementally, and what happened is they were pricing many buyers out of the market, so banks started going, hey, we got these adjustable rate mortgages, you know, and people sat back then, and I'm telling you, I believe we're about to see that now, where they went, yeah, you know what, it's the only way we can get in, and we can't afford these higher rates, and so let's get into an ARM, an adjustable rate mortgage, you know, like a 5-1 ARM or a 7-1 ARM, which means that the interest rate is fixed for 5 years at a low introductory rate, and then it goes adjustable after that. And that's the only way we can get in. So what they do is they do that, and they start to blow up bigger and bigger. And what happens is, you saw back then, the adjustable rate mortgages were pretty much non-existent in 2002, 2003, but by 2004, 2005, and especially 2006, you started to see more and more adjustable rate mortgages out there because people could not afford to borrow money for a house. All right, so I want people to understand that even though there's not a ton of them out there right now, there is a good clip of them, but the facts are they're not as prevalent as they were before the great financial crisis. I believe you're going to start seeing that again. Just get ready, because I believe that's sort of a trap. So because rates are historically low right now, and they are about to be not historically low. They're reviving, they're going back to their mean, which is normally between 6 and 9%, depending on how healthy the economy is, okay? So it's something I want people to watch for. It's not always the same as it was yesterday. Markets change, dynamics change, and things are starting to change with it. Guys, hashtag March Madness in the description below. You want to know why? Because not only do we have the NCAA tournaments that everybody goes and watches, right? Well, not everybody. I'm not a big basketball guy. But my thing is, I don't know if you could tell, I can't jump very high. But if you think about it, we want to wake so many people up and get that hashtag in, because it's really going to happen. March Madness is one thing to talk about college basketball. It's another thing to talk about that the ECB and the Federal Reserve are planning on massive rate hikes in March. We are seeing a buildup with Ukraine, and we're seeing a buildup in Taiwan. Guys, things are going to be crazy in the next 60 days. I really do believe that. And even if, let's say, certain things that we don't think are going to happen, right? The pressure of the economy with the inflation rate is too much to deny. So I think we're going to see some incredible things. So do me a favor, hashtag March Madness in this video, and start hashtagging in all the videos we do, because we want to start waking a lot of people up, where people are looking for basketball and all of a sudden they get a dose of truth. All right, guys, that being said, I thank you so much. The Economic Ninja is out.